Buy one get one free is a phrase that we'll have to hear always whenever we go for online or offline shopping. This My Eye provides one such offer. So let's see. Hello, namaste, vanakkam, namaskara. How are you all doing? Tame kemcho? Nalla irkingla? Ningal gusugamano? Aap kaisi ho? Doing good? Yes, this is Flying Skies One. Welcomes you all to watch pretty good videos and offers. Recently, I came across a buy one get one offer by My Eye online store, and I thought it's wow because you're getting one free on ordering one eyewear. So I ordered eyewear or eyeglasses by using this offer. There was a fast delivery by eyewear. The packing was good, as you see in the picture. I've got two pairs of eyeglasses. They are different. You can choose whatever you want. In the app, you have got different categories: sunglasses, contact lenses, power sunglasses, reading glasses, bifocal or progressive eyeglasses, photochromic eyeglasses. Still, many options are there. You can even choose your brands, whichever you like to have. Here I chose blue full frame rectangular eyeglasses. It's a single vision and blue cut, as you see in the picture. These are power glasses, but then they come up with additional features such as they are UV protected, anti-scratch, anti-glare, and blue light blocker. The next pair of specs or glasses you see in the picture. This is brown full frame Wayfarer eyeglasses, single vision. You have even eyeglasses made of bamboo frame in the store. You can go try them if you want. Now let me speak of the built-in quality. It is good, and a cleaning cloth is also given as shown in the picture. These are lightweight, comfortable, strong, and durable. As these are German lenses, they have given authentication card. You can scan the QR code and check whether they are authentic or not, thus confirming the brand. These are good looking, stylish, trendy, easy to wear, and it comes up with robotic technology for higher definition, better fit, and ultra precision. So, how is the eyewear? Let me know in the comment section. Now, I'll show you how you can order using My Eye app. First, you got to install My Eye app as shown in the picture. Log in with your phone number, fill up all your details and address. If any of you are watching my video for the first time, please subscribe and click on the bell icon to receive the notifications without fail. And thank you for subscribing to Flying Skies One. Thank you. Buy one get one free offer can be availed for 1 year with Blink membership. It is auto applied when you place your first order. This is one of the nicest benefit you have got on placing your first order. Now I'll quickly run through the guides that you have got on this app. When you scroll down the home page, you'll see different guides that would help you to choose your eyeglasses. First comes a size guide, and next is a prescription guide. And let me tell you, you can submit your prescription or the eye power after placing the order. They have given how you can write up the eye power details. You can go through the frame guide as full frame or half frame or cat eye or rimless as such. Now I'll show you the two tests are given. You can take a vision test first. You can sit at home and check with your eyesight by taking the test as shown in the picture. You have to answer some questions. Accordingly, they will be giving you the results. Next is second test is astigmatism test, as you see in the picture. I thought these guides might be useful to you before you choose your glasses and place the order. You can also take this test to check your eyesight performance. Sitting at home. Now I'll show you how you can order and have this buy one get one free offer. Click on eyeglasses as shown in the picture. It will be right on your home page on iMyEye app. Then select your frame. Have chose the first category of frame. There are wide range of eyeglasses as shown in the picture. You can select as per your choice. After selecting, you can go through the details of eyeglasses as what material is used or the frame color or the brand or the size you want. Here two options are given. You can place your order by making a call or you can order online as shown in the picture. If you want to order online, you go to select lenses. After clicking on that, you choose which type of glasses you want, whether they should be powered eyeglasses or zero power, digital screen protection, or bifocal or progressive eyeglasses, as shown in the picture. After selecting the type of eyeglasses you want, you have different lens features coming up. If you want additional features, the cost or the price differs. For instance, you want a 1 year warranty, the cost increases. After selecting, you will be directed to card as shown in the picture. A coupon is auto applied. The minimum order value should be 1,999, 2,000 or above for the coupon to be applicable. 1,200 coupon is available and it is auto applied, or you can choose any other coupon from the drop down list as shown in the picture. Here you see buy one get one discount is applied in the cart. Click on proceed. Choose your payment method. COD is also available, that is cash on delivery. You have different modes of online payment. You can use them to place your order. That's it, done. This is a must have app on every mobile. If you want eye checkup at your doorsteps or home, you can book an appointment by making a call. Now you can see the first order details that I have placed using buy one get one free offer. You can see my Blink membership is activated as I get this offer, that is buy one get one for a year. So how is the iMyEye tutorial? Is it good? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Flying Skies 1 for more videos. Have a good day. Keep smiling.